Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Bowser. I've missed you. Welcome back. Today we're going to review prefixes and suffixes. I know you've done this, so we are going to review some of the prefixes and suffixes that we've been doing this year. So let's start out with the word prefixes. Prefixes are really cool. A prefix is a cool attachment that you add to the beginning of a word. Prefixes also would change the meaning of the word. Let's see. Let's try one. We're going to start with pre. The prefix pre means before. Remember, boys and girls, we talked about preschool, premature. Well, let's look and see what base word or root word we could use with pre to make a new word. Let's see. I think there's a few we probably could use, but there's one specific one that I've chosen. Let's try this one. Say to yourself what our new word is. Preheat. That's right, boys and girls. Preheat. Do you know what preheat means? Remember, we said the prefix pre means before. So preheat. That would mean heat it before you cook it. Sometimes Mrs. Bowser has to do that. I preheat my vegetables or preheat the oven before I cook. So preheat is a new word that you've learned. Good job. Let's try one more. How about the prefix re? The prefix re means to do it again. Like, oh my goodness, Mrs. Bowser has had boys and girls have to redo some of their work sometimes. And I've also had to have you, let's try this word. What does that word say? That's right, rewrite. Do some of you remember having to rewrite something that you've written? Oh yes, I see a lot of heads shaking yes. I know. Mrs. Bowser even has to rewrite sometimes. We're going to try another one. How about the prefix un? Un. Do you know what un means? Un means not. I need to undo that work I did. I need to unpack. That's a good one. Unpack my suitcase. Because I was going to go on vacation, but a change of plans. I'm not going on vacation anymore, so I had to unpack my suitcase. All right, let's do one more prefix. Remember, they go at the beginning of a word, and they're really cool. They make the word have a different meaning. Miss. Miss means it's wrong. So if I were to misplace my keys, which does happen, and I can't drive my car then. When I misplace, that means that I did it wrong. I misplaced them. I lost them. So those are our prefixes added with our base word or root word to make a new word. That was really cool, wasn't it? All right, let's go to suffixes. A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of our base word. So pre means before and suffix is after. prefix before, suffix after. So let's try some more base words and see what we find. Let's try, how about this word? Because Mrs. Bowser is always this. What is that word right there? Who knows? You better know it. That's Mrs. Bowser's word, joy. I'm thinking a suffix I could add to joy would be this word right here. Does anybody know what the suffix joy means? Or the suffix full means? Full of. Full of joy. Is that Mrs. Bowser? Yes, I'm always full of joy. You're right. Good job, boys and girls. Now, how about if I pick this word? Remember, these are suffixes we're adding now. And they're also fun. They're just like prefixes, but they're at the end of the word. So order. Order able? No, that doesn't really make sense. Orderer? No. But how about orderly? I think that makes sense, doesn't it? Mrs. Bowser always tells you when there's a fire alarm, you need to be orderly. That means you're going to follow the rules and go out in a straight line and listen to your teacher. Orderly. Nice job. Oh, here's one of my favorite words. What is that word? Whoops. That is a favorite word of mine. And it is, everybody say it. That's right. Love. Love that word. And I think, I'd say I am pretty what is it? Lovable. I'd say so. I love that word. Lovable. And that it means able to love. So we are lovable. We are able to love. One more. Let's try, and let's put it right over here. Because we're running out of room. Oh, we have some great singers. I know Mrs. Cornell always tells us second grade are the best singers. Oh, I think I already told you the answer. Singer. The suffix er has been added to sing to make the new word singer. And that's a person who sings. Like all of you, you're excellent singers. Well, thank you for joining me today on reviewing prefixes and suffixes. Remember, they are really cool and they change the meaning of words. Now what I'd like you to do is in the comments, I'd like you to write some prefix words that you can think of and some suffix words. And Mrs. Bowser will go in and check, and I'll get back to you with maybe a thumbs up or a heart or maybe a smooch. Okay, have a great day.